Hi, it's Dardur Gynecology here. My voice is returning little by little. So quickly, did you know that a lot of women actually suffer from hair loss, from stress, emotional stress, physical stress, can cause women to lose their hair? But the big question is hair loss reversible once that stress is managed, when things are better? Can you get your hair back? The answer is yes. Yes, 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 because I got the TED. So I can help women who are losing their hair due to stress, due to postpartum, due to being menopausal. Menopausal status actually makes your hair thinner. And so what the TED does, it's a machine that delivers the hair serum to the dermis, right to the level of the hair follicle. Because the topical products take forever to get through the scalp down to the different layers to then get to the hair follicle. The TED machine allows us to deliver that hair serum directly down to the dermis where the hair follicle is, so you can see results faster. Okay, I'm going to be talking about this on my upcoming webinar on March 11th at 10 a.m. And I'm hosting an open house at my clinic on March 18th at 10 a.m. So you get to see live demonstrations of the TED. And if you sign up for a VIP ticket, you get amazing deals on the TED. So register, RSVP. I can't wait to help you. And I'll see you then. Okay, bye-bye.